Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this blue rectangle that consists of a bunch of these rectangles, as you can see in this given diagram, such that this is our green shaded rectangle, and moreover the area of this rectangle has been given to us as 8 square units. The area of this bottom rectangle has been given to us as 12 square units. And finally, the area of this tiny rectangle is 6 square units. And furthermore, this segment length equal to this segment length. And now our task is to calculate the area of this green shaded rectangle. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Since we are interested in calculating the area of this green shaded rectangle, and moreover the area of this rectangle is unknown, and likewise the area of this rectangle is unknown as well. So therefore we are going to rely on the data on only these 3 rectangles. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this segment length equal to this segment length. And now if we extend this horizontal line all the way to this point, then we can see that this segment length is going to be equal to this segment length. And if I label this tiny rectangle area as x, then we can see the area of this whole part is going to be equal to this part. And we know the area of this whole part is going to be simply x plus 8. So therefore we conclude that this part of this green rectangle area is going to be simply x plus 8 as well. And now our task is to simply find the value of x. And now let's focus on these 2 rectangles. Both have them the same width, as you can see. And furthermore, the area of this rectangle is twice the area of this rectangle. In other words, the area ratio of these rectangles is simply 1 to 2. And now since these rectangle height is same as this height, so therefore the ratio of these 2 rectangle is going to be 1 to 2 as well. In other words, if the area of this rectangle is 8, then the area of this rectangle is going to be half of that one, is going to be 4. So therefore our x value simply turns out to be 4. Then this whole thing is going to be, if we substitute x equal to 4 plus 8 is going to give us equal to 12. So thus we conclude that this part of this green shaded rectangle is 12 and this part is 4. So therefore the total area of this green shaded rectangle has got to be 12 plus 4 is going to give us 16. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this green shaded rectangle simply turns out to be 16 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.